Everyone's keep asking which AI coding assistant is the best. But after using all these three, Gemini, Codex, and Antigravity, I realized we have been comparing the wrong thing entirely. So Antigravity feels like the hacker's tool. It's fast, lightweight, terminal first, and built for people who want control instead of handholding. The Gemini CLI is Google's attempt at making AI native development feels seamless from the terminal. It's context aware, integrates well with large code databases. Then Codex here, that's the OG, the model that basically started the AI coding revolution. It's powerful, reliable, and still one of the best when it comes to raw code understanding and generation. Now let's look into the pros of these three platforms. The anti-gravity is extremely has a fast workflow. It has minimal UI clutter and feels built for power users. It's great for debugging and interactive coding. The Gemini CLI has a strong context handling. It's excellent for multi-file understanding, and it has a natural language interactions which feel smooth. The Codex here, it has a very accurate code generation, and it has a strong reasoning as well, and it's reliable for common frameworks. But on the downside here, the Codex here, you can feel less workflow native compared to newer tools. You can feel generic, and it's not always fastest when it comes to experience. And the Gemini CLI here also has some cons, like sometimes it's get over engineered, and you can feel slower on simpler tasks. And anti-gravity here as well, the learning curve is very steep. Okay, so for beginners it might be not an ideal option, and it can feel too bare bones for some users as well. So if you ask me, for beginners, if you're just getting started, then Codex might be the ideal option and the safest option for you. And for business developers, if you work on large production code bases, then Gemini CLI might be the strongest one for you. And for terminal users or hardcore builders, okay, if you're that kind of developer who wants speed, control, and flow, then Antigravity might be the best tool for you here. So no, so the best AI coding assistant isn't the one with the biggest model. It's the one that disappears into your workflow so well you forget it's even AI, and that's the real competition nobody's talking about.